How to buy MIKU token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check Derek's account and keep following the updates about this token. Now this token is available on the screener. As you can see, if you don't have an account on it, just go and create one. As you can see, this token is increased by 8,000% in the last 24 hours. In the last 5 minutes, it's increased by 14%. Now as you can see, the liquidity is 99% locked, but that means that your investment in the safe place. Now to be able to buy it, make sure that this token, or remember this token is under this Solana network. Now go ahead and click on it and to copy the token address and go and open your Phantom wallet. As you can see, click on swap here and now click here to paste this token address. As you can see, so this is our token. Click on it. Now as you can see, make sure to be able to, or make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now here type how much you want to buy, and as you can see, this is how much you will receive that token. Click on the provider to select one of these providers, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of this information here and click on swap to be able to buy this token. If you face any issue, just go back to this page and switch the slip hash from here or custom it, and you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy MIKU token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.